Hello folks, welcome to my channel Sharing Code Knowledge. It's been a long time since I've posted my first video about optionals in Swift. Seriously, Swift is amazingly smart and interesting language. I always try funny and interesting codes in Playground, and Playground is really a good place to learn Swift with fun. Today, I'm gonna share some funny code with you guys. I'm sure what I'm going to show here, you guys are already aware of those things. But why I am sharing it because I asked this thing to my fellow developers and most of them were wrong in first place. Though later after analyzing carefully they themselves gave correct explanation. But let me tell you, it was so fun to look at their baffled faces. They were like, what? So I thought, why not check this thing with you guys? So watch carefully. Let us first define some methods. Here we have two methods. Produce type is best. Now what if I will ask you this simple expression? So what should be the output in console? Think, think more. Yeah, you were right. It should be I am Batman because we are calling this method from here. Let me print out the value also. And obviously the value will be true because this is AND operation and the property of AND operation is true and true will be true. Okay. Now what will happen if I will change it to this? If I'll change it to let's make it false and yeah, let it be and. So what should be the value now? Only false. Huh? No, I am Batman. Yeah, some of you will say that it should show I'm Batman, but what? No, I'm Batman. Why? Yeah, now it's getting interesting. Again, if I change it to again, the output will be same, true, but still no, I'm Batman. Hmm. Yes, if you are thinking carefully, then yes, because when you do AND operation, the values of both the sides are important. It's the property of AND operation. If both sides are true, only then the result will be true, which is not the case in OR operator. In OR operation, if left hand side is true, then your operator will never look to the other side because it's the property of OR operation. If one side is true, then whole operation is true. Like here you can see, if this is true, then this OR operation is smart enough, it will not execute or evaluate this thing after the OR operation, because whatever the value after the OR operation gonna be, the whole expression is always gonna be true. So your OR operation is saving your execution time. Smart enough, right? Now you will say, oh, I knew this, but I how did I miss? Now let's play more. Let me add more things. Now what will happen if I will change the expression to this? False and or. Tell me. Yes, let us see. I am Iron Man and true. Something is wrong or something is weird over here, right? First this is false, then this is I am Batman, then suddenly it prints I am Iron Man and the overall value is true. Now you will be surprised why I am Iron Man get called. According to till now what we were experiencing, this is weird, right? So let's find out why. Here comes two terms. Listen carefully. Here comes two terms: associativity and precedence. Yes, let me write it for you. Associativity. Associativity means the expression should be evaluated left to right. Right? Left to right. And the other term, what I was saying, is precedence. Precedent determines how the expression should be evaluated. The operator which has higher precedence will be evaluated first. And friends, take note that AND operator has higher precedence over OR operator, right? Let me write it for you so that you can remind this thing. Higher precedence over OR operator. So in this expression, what actually happening is this. First, this is happening. So first, AND operator will be evaluated because of precedence, and complete expression will follow associativity left to right. So as your AND operator will find this statement false on left side, it will not execute I'm Batman, because this is false. AND operator is smart enough to check whatever the value is gonna be of this expression here, it the overall will be false, so it will never execute this thing. So this whole thing will become false. But now suddenly there is OR operator, and as I told you, what if the first value, I mean the left hand side value of the OR operator is false, then definitely your OR operator will check the right hand side value, and this is I'm Iron Man over here, so that's why it prints I'm Iron Man false true. Look carefully, false, and then this OR, and then this true, so the expression will be true. You get the logic here, right? If you didn't, then I'm repeating. In AND operation, if left side is false, then your smart AND operator will never execute the right hand side, because it doesn't matter what is in there, the overall result will be false. So to save the execution time, your AND operator will quit ASAP. But if left side is true, then result definitely depends on right hand side also. Opposite is the case of OR operator. If first value is true, then no need of looking or executing the rest of the code, as it doesn't matter what's the value in there, because overall result will be true. But if first value is false, then your OR operator will definitely execute the other side of code, because then the result will depend on the rest of the code. And everything will evaluate it under rule of associativity and precedence. Make this thing clear in your mind. Let's take another example. Let me delete this thing from here. Let us take another example. Mm, Big result equals to true, or I'm Batman and I am Iron Man. So what should be the big result? Oops. So what should be the big result? It shows only true. That's Yes, it will only show true but not execute both the methods. Here why is it so? Because of precedence, AND operator will take charge. Let me show you first. This is working like this way. Because of precedence, AND operator will take charge. But associativity tells us that it should evaluate left to right, as there is true in left side of OR operator, so the whole expression will be true, and whatever is in the right side of OR doesn't matter anymore. I will tell you again. See, this whole expression will follow the associativity of left to right, but because of precedence of AND operator over the OR operator, it will group this expression first. But associativity will evaluate this expression from left to right. So first it will check true is on the left side of this OR and this whole expression as a sum. So if this true OR and whatever the value of this operation will be doesn't matter. I mean this the value of this operation doesn't matter, because this is true or whatever is gonna be true. So your smart OR operator will never look for this value. That's why it shows only true over here. So for those who don't know or forget about associativity and precedence of AND or operators, don't you find it interesting? Go on, play more expressions and ask this to your fellow also. to your fellow developers also. Hope I gave you a good time. Please, if you find this stuff good, then like this video and share with your friends, and do subscribe. Thank you.